Isona yakusasa izokuba ngeyokuqala ngaphansi kahulumeni wobambiswano iGNU.
Tomorrow's address will have received inputs from ministers that come from other parties who are responsible for their respective portfolios. And so tomorrow's address will be very much reflective of the government of national unity.
Zicela ezinkulungwaneni ezimbili izicukuthwane okulindeleke ukuthi zithamele inkulumo kaMengameli esishayamthetho sikazwelonke kusasa. Kanti kulezo zicukuthwane kukhona nowabe engumengameli wakuleli zwe uJacob Zuma.
Former President Mbeki, he will be here. Former President Motlanthe, he is here with us, as well as former President Zuma, he will be in attendance.
Kusenjalo umholi weqembu iDA wethule inkulumo namhlanje eKapa. Kuleyo nkulumo ubalule ukuthi uhulumeni wakuleli zwe kumele uze namacebo okulwa nezikweletu ezikhungethe lelizwe.
The GNU needs to do a number of things. Firstly, it should commit to a credible plan to reduce government debt and then stick to it. It's the sticking to it part that is actually the most important.
Kwesithinta umgomo wobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba, ihhovisi likaMengameli wakuleli zwe lithi lifuna ukugcina bubuhle ubudlelwane phakathi kwaleli zwe neMelika. Nakuba kuzoba nzima kulandela okushiwo uMengameli weMelika uDonald Trump ngodaba lomgomo wokubuyiswa komhlaba kuleli zwe.
Where there are bumps, as we have recently experienced, it will always be in our interest to engage with various role players within the leadership of the country, but also broadly in society in the US.
iDA ithi izoqhubeka nokuphikisana nomthethosivivinywa wokubuyiswa komhlaba, i-Expropriation Act.
The DA is strongly of the opinion that the Expropriation Act is unconstitutional, as was pointed out by Minister McPherson to the President, and as I've said consistently in press conferences since, and our view has not changed.
Kulindeleke ukuthi amalungu ePhalamende aphawule ngenkulumo kaMengameli yakusasa ngoLwesibili nangoLwesithathu olizayo, bese uMengameli ephendula ngoLwesine olizayo.